Okay. So you guys might be wondering, how do you make a spam bot? So what do you want to do? So first, there's 3 steps to this. There's the variables, there's the imports, so pi_auto_gy, and then pi_auto, and then time. So then in the variables, you need about 3 variables in total. So one is to make the words you say, so it's a string. The other one is to put the repeat amount, so like let's just say 10. Then the other one is for the wait time, or if you don't want to do this, then you can just put in the time.sleep. And then you need a for loop, so for I in range, repeat amount, so let's just say for I in range 10.
A few minutes later.
Then do pi_auto_gy. Yes. So that is pretty much how you make a spam bot. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.